Deko, Goro Boys chicken NDC no so na kira mu Muslim chicken MPP fake Muslim. And I'm saying I'm the only word NDC know is fake Muslim. We accept it in faith. Now you Quran you people call us fake Muslim. And then I ask, Malik Basentale and Mustafa Banda today, they are fasting. You know, how are you going to address them? And they are more business. You see, these people are calling us fake Muslim because we are clapping for Dr. Matupuku Pempe for suing this Imam. You see the hypocrisy in NDC. It is good normal, but they point fingers at you. And who told you people are special than others? Dear Malam yen wo masjidi. Obi mami hadisi ba akwa wakache say yenyi wi. Hujrat verse 11, verse 12, verse 11 I catch where and say, we me na watchuma no dear sin asem so wo bu na ten wo kana asem no. We me na kura ye kwanya me ni mo be ye ni papa asem. Verse 12 so I catch where and say, asem na wo kana chabi.
Abuza for me mamu nyina amakwa aba e de bagana nsem TV so. Bon mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no attend notifications na be next time. Videos of this nature ba also sabit me akabi. Also watch the video comment section with the amazing. So the munya minim down if me Mr. President. Madaroma we background a new place. If by chance so boy me set up studio. So boy ma yesu bibi kakra na yeso de boa Ghana nsem TV hefo. Number that so friend number na so Mr. President de mbema de wo man bia me sabeka na me so me da wase panso. Na me pacho na otwi ya mu na era na po issue a court statement edema one of the chief imams our more Ashanti region over a defamatory comment I'll make here on gay Hons and Simbi during the 2024 campaign. Now I've had 1 or 2 calls, many 1 or 2 messages, and I think it will be fair say any you for Morgan and Sim TV by discussing. I'm so much more your comment section there, my share. If we are so we are very careful. Me say some politicians are also man are very careful. Chief Imam me chia be obi a me chia o. O my room etin de eni enam kam for de say ba fine form. Ye ba ako obi antan obi a. In fact me mama na fo nyina nkam fo. Me pe na be Christian me na fo nyina nkam fo. You know, but that doesn't mean say some more yard na say nya mitimi hwo manim kan no krenche. And that doesn't mean say me ya de na say nya omuntimi hwomanim enka no kwe omunchire me. Nemum no in the quest of say open power who can smart for yon one way very careful because the future is always pregnant. 2024 no can say mo you 2026 then they are serving a court warrant. 2026 e be na so fa ne ho adi. And for the first time on this issue mahu yenenum kamophobia omo express omo consent and I say sebi inkamfo no matter how the situation is they are very loyal and they are very honest people. They are very honest people. They are very honest individual. Mo be another how kamoni ni ani o ni da bi to me aye pinti ye say ni anam de akope to me aye pinti ye say ni anam da ache de akope to me. But then some here chief Imam kind mudu ntimi meka wa ha kwasa me court nemum expressions are na concerns are ye nanum kamofo raise ye de e wa ye be bo amomu nyina moti bi na mo so ma chama your comment section ho to me aye pe ti ye pin yenum de ato am na donko mo mabrabo asai ni nya to me. And then here chief Imam ko ye campaign man this ba pa me pa chomba o ma tola nkusa de ama no omo ba o ma sifie de ama no omo ba se bi o mama ne bibi ene wo kokot no nkwan ni nyame na kokot wo ya de na very careful. You go video number.
Deko, Goro Boys chicken NDC no so na kira mu Muslim chicken MPP fake Muslim. And I'm saying I'm the only word NDC know is fake Muslim. We accept it in faith. Now you Quran you people call us fake Muslim. And then I asked, Malik Basintale and Mustafa Banda today, they are fast signal. How are you going to address them? And they are more business. You see, these people are calling us fake Muslim because we are clapping for Dr. Matupoku Prempe for suing this Imam. Malam Yasmano. Yeni Yasma Malam so wongoka. You see the hypocrisy in NDC. It is good normal, but they point fingers at you. And who told you people are special than others? Dear Malam yen wo masjidi. Obi mami hadisi ba akwa wakache say yenyi re. Hujurat verse 11, verse 12, verse 11 I catch and say, we me na watchum ano de asi na asem so wo bu na ten wo ka na asem no. We me ano kra ye konya me ani mo be ni papa asem. Verse 12 so I catch and say, asem na wo ka ne chabe we me asem na wonya wo de wanu atum no wonsanyi na atum. Say ye de we nua body ma wo say dia wo betimi. Wo ntimi ndi, so you don't have the right to speak in this manner against your brother. But see what Malam was doing in masjid. And the Zongo community say when you quenya Malam either being a Juma or Fajr, whatever prayer it was biano, who preaching no, then kafa Zongo preaching na ento ya suno with the Dr. Matupoku Prempe now. So when you say yes na won't worry. Abraham Malam, you know much more than I do. Then into one warrior or a gay. You classify him to be a gay because he's not married, because he don't have a kid. I don't know even what you are saying. You say but Malam, mo ena mature mingas obi ana acho yen mo ena mature yen say anabi Isa wa nware anabi Yaya, that is John the Baptist wa nware wa ngubampo anabi Yaya krano, that is John the Baptist answer na ne papa Zachariah mo benya no na ne papa timu nyina afudwen na ne papa krabo akokora answer na wo no. Marriage is sunnah, trust me. Yen yambomo because hadith crack actually and said we shouldn't leave our brothers in the hands of oppressors. But we will pretend as you say you won't say because that is what you people deserve. The hate is too much. The hate on Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia in 2024 was too much, to a point where their flower will be our ban. See what Malam was doing in the masjid. Abraham say Islam talks about peace. Dr. Matupoku Prempe the Najina Masjid wa wugunu hu fi friend again. This gentleman has once been the education minister, the energy minister. Yen hwa afuwe tahajud bra ye ni dumso. But papa we be energy minister. Ye tahajud no dumso. Papa we education minister yenya SHS call free ni teacher ni yenzongo phone koda na nkane no ye maame be ye ne ntoma akoton ye maame de ne bibi kwa akosi ayi ye chese ye beka chese ba akokra nko school na ba akonte na fi bar aban we papa we be education minister yenyina yetimi ko school bi na muslim phone kra yetimi short mi ka profo papa at least nka ka chere ne say thank you me mano ani so de waya ama me mofra no eso mani ugina masjid friend gay. Most of them afraid a fake Muslim, no more NDC for no. I'm afraid fake Muslim na. And it's from Quran na feeding but to church I'm afraid fake Muslim, right? Mungo read Quran chapter 32 verse 21. Nyankopon say, Bonena ubedin wasasi so no ho asotwe no de ma wo yaw marikia matamuda no. O ma ho frama kakra fa wani ase. And malam de kwa kugina court no. And no ho na Dr. Matupoku Prempe asiu malam no. Na me ni lorry fare. If I have lorry fare, come e court dem mo da e betina asem no so. I'm a coma Dr. Matupoku Prempe Mura and then Anna Poo. Now that is the truth. Because you people don't want to learn. Mama tiny person, it is you tiny more Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. I say, and we are telling you this. It won't happen again. This has to set an example. Men we can yam bomo, but I'm bomo so I yenchimo. That is the truth. Doctor Namobegano, and I won't see you. Dr. Matupoku Prempe obey you because doctor, when you Quran nimune the Islam about into Malam court. NDC for now we campaign mama no monto aho na monko
mesre nyankopon say so wakatua boni bi tua wo man we eka woni Ghana mabunu no emfrim woni Ghana youth ni emfrim na won tua wo man we eka efiti Ghana mpanimfo so epepem Ghana asofofo so president ahodu a abesi wo man we so na omo ho kwan se omutimi je LGBTQ ha plus no omutimi esan ade bi na be yensa ho to ho mo man so man no yempe na wo mabu o mani aguso president ene Ghana asofofo no mu binu nyankopon ontua o mu kakabone wani maburu ni mfiri no ontua mu ka Ghana asofo bi ti se kofi oduru a wogina na asore ye comparison na wo kasati a aban na atwa mu se BTQ plus no ayese ekufuado etimi sign na yemra wo Ghana ha na NDC aban ba yekufu odu atumi aka na ho atom wasene ni tiri ho na ne konsi tan eduru na bi kura kofu odu ye comparison wo na asore ho ekire die NDC aban ne beyeye ekire die ekufuado aban ne beyeye sofu kofu odu ni natwom na ne selfishness ani Ghana asofofo ni bi no ya papa agina sare hoy sofa agina sare sofu pedini Archbishop hoy munna makamano atum ye hu limamfo ni bi mo hoy makamano atum senya mo selfish interest ene mo pesa mo nkuminya ana na mo pesa mo di tie akufuado ban e mama ha matimi ba so dia ene mo pie kofu oduru na ya na ya beya akwai Saturday bia me kana asema na ye wotan because it was sini ni tiri upa ni tiri wa ye sham no onu mom edi ani mu ye campaign di ma NDC aban wo kire sonson ye wo NDC aban ne MPP aban ni makama no ato mutimi kasa na Sam George die senye nyame na atua Sam George ka ana wo ye kakra na sura ye kakraka ana ne foma ye ketwa dia ene ne Sam George wo yale ko hospital na wo mu hwehwem because sebi onye bayira ye dua wa bo akosoro bayire ne soro na ye kase na ne foma ye kase o di nyankopon ayew ana ofo aye kuntan kakraka so ya ye kosoro kopo so ya ye de yo nyame na atua o Sam George wa no kate aso wonye bibia fa nko wie da o Sam George akwara keto a o ma o menso wutuwe wo ya akofra kate na politics intinu aye kan ni nyame so atua o kase se o soro aye kantan hwe wa bosse bayira shefom bayira ya ehye kofi wa bo o soro na afom aye kete o hye kotu ana asense mu o soro aye hukuntan o na afom na aye bibi e wo se nyame na atua o ka wo saa kwan na so de ya ene na ayare ko hospital Sam George yi ni paponi ni o nka no kore o your selfish interest o ye coward mo ka no kore mo soliti aba na munim se enye yize saa munim se enye yize mo ankasa munim se enye yize saa ana mo soliti a akufu ato aban munim se enye yize Sam George kofu oduru a wasene wo kwa mo tan o kasa se nyama Ghana fo nyina ntie o na aye politics o asole dem wa kire won sore ma no wa ka che so munim no nkoto abafo no mbetena ha ombehu wa ye comparison betwitwa dan bi ni ade o kai de ense ne waka no what de papa mahama eka wa pass obesi you are pass bill base e ko base 10 how say LGBTQ plus ne de o mayi wo mani monim say nye easy ana mo de ye amanosem Sam George kosoro kopo onim say nye easy me say senye nyame na atua o ka de ya na o yale ko hospital if you say won ka no kore wonye kristoni na nanu mon sorry na mon ka no kore le manfo a mo sorry ye mon sorry na mon ka no kore me de me kasa mahama obesi so onya ade o ba sa ade ne nko a wode ye politics no se wanya eno ne be ma me maka wase o ye na djuma all right but do onim se enye yize ye fanya politics no wode ye politics ama me bruno o ma dwen dan ye koto aban me siga no o tua Ghana fo mpanimfo ne ka onyi mebu ni mfirim if se wo mu ne dada yuti na dwen na me nshira edin frame ya ne